What makes Horan and Bird different is that we're not just a solar company that started their business up last week. We're a team of experienced electrical contractors and electrical engineers that deliver a tailor-made solution just for you. We treat our customers like they're our own family, so we really concentrate on quality and make sure the systems are perfect, because at the end of the day, they are dangerous if they're not done right. So you need to make sure it's a high quality, well-installed solar system.
At Horan and Bird, we don't just meet Australian standards, we set them. Quality is in every part of our process. From the minute you speak to one of our friendly staff members right through to the end of the installation, we hold ourselves to the highest standards possible to provide the best customer service for you.
Our customers are our partners in this journey. Our team are always ready to answer questions, provide support, and ensure your experience with us is entirely seamless.
When it comes to solar, quality, efficiency, and expertise are non-negotiable.
What sets Horan and Bird apart is our commitment to safety, integrity, quality, a continuous innovation, and building a community. I would just like to thank you for considering us to be your energy partner.